So here's a song that's not too hard to play, the intro to, on a 3-string cigar box guitar, but it never sounds in the correct key as the record, right? So, hopefully you recognize that, Guns N' Roses, Sweet Child of Mine. But with this little gizmo, set on an octave, big improvement. And you can even go 2 octaves up if you want. And another thing you can do with this, all these notes can go down, a 4th down or a 5th down from where you are. So you don't just have to add a note on top, you can add a note lower should you want to. And in the middle, it's called a detune, so you can actually retune it to something else. I'm not quite sure how to do that. I haven't done that yet. But those are your 3 settings there. So I just thought I'd share that. I just thought that was kind of like the coolest thing. Have a great day. Bye.